So you may be asking yourself, why am I sitting on the ground next to our camper here? At the end of this video, I'll show you why. Stick around. We just got back from our first camping trip of the season, and there's something that I want to do to this, and today is the day I'm going to do it. First step in the process is we want to make sure that the frame is clean. So I probably should have waited to park this bad mamma jamma before I decided to do the lights on here, because as you can tell, this is a small space for my big old booty to be crawling down underneath this thing. But we'll see what happens. Okay, note to self, get rid of all the dandelions and fire ants before you start crawling under your camp. Okay everybody, step 2 of the process now. Clean the frame underneath where I want the lighting to go. Next, I'll use this 2-sided sticky tape to go along my frame to put the LED lights on. Here's why. I put these LED lights in here last year and they did not stick. So I had to use 2-sided tape to get them to stick. There's always a way to fix something, right? I got these lights from Amazon. I don't remember how much they were. I bought them like last year because I had a bunch of ideas I was going to do for the camper. So they have to be plugged in. They're USB. So this little control thing here is going to have to go up here under the frame. So I'll find some kind of waterproof stuff to get it all wrapped up and put up in there real quick. Look at the size of this remote. It's got every colors of the rainbow and in between. You're definitely going to be blinging at the campsite. Alright, so I'm back. Fortunately, I ran out of 2-sided tape, so I can get a hold of Bezos and his crew to get me some more, hopefully tomorrow. Okay, I have finished installing the lights underneath the trailer. So, seen other campers, trailers have them, and I just figured, why not? Let's do it. So, I'll show you what it looks like. If you've got other ideas for triggering out the trailer, let us know in the comments. So they go all the way around the frame. I think they'll look pretty neat whenever we're out camping. I'll try to include them in an upcoming video